Perched high on a hillside in the highly sought-after Muirlands neighborhood of La Jolla sits the spectacular contemporary masterpiece, 1640 El Camino del Teatro. Beautifully designed by the famous Ken Ronchetti, this impressive estate is known for its signature architectural design and exceptional quality, all while maintaining a private and serene environment. This immaculate 5-bedroom, 7-bath estate boasts over 6,800 square feet of luxurious living spaces. From the 23-foot entry doors to the soaring bamboo ceilings, each space flows seamlessly into the next. When you walk into this home, you notice its form and flow and its true connection to nature. Entertain in the expansive great room with its oversized windows overlooking the back garden and showcasing picturesque ocean views, or cozy around the magnificent fireplace in the living room, complete with beautiful Spanish marble and a full bar. Prepare your favorite meals in the gourmet chef's kitchen, fully equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances and a large prep island. With a banquet-sized dining room adorned with a vanishing edge waterfall, you can easily accommodate large dinner parties. Once inside the luxurious master retreat, complete with an attached study and fireplace, you can delight in the views on your attached balcony or unwind in your spa-inspired master bath. With 4 additional bedrooms, an elevator, 1,500 bottle wine cellar, fitness room, sauna, and numerous view terraces, this gorgeous residence has been perfectly designed to truly embody harmonious living spaces. Cool off in the sparkling pool, surrounded by a large deck, and enjoy the quintessential Southern California luxurious lifestyle. Not only is this home architecturally unique, it is truly located close to everything San Diego and La Jolla has to offer. Just minutes from Windansea Beach, you can easily spend the day at the beach, stroll through the village, or visit some of La Jolla's top attractions, such as the Mount Soledad Memorial, La Jolla Beach and Tennis Club, or the iconic La Jolla Cove. Built and designed to perfection, this stunning residence is truly one of a kind, both in its unique architecture and its extravagant design.